Hi everyone, Rainy here, and today I'm going to do a review of the Porta-Cable electric planer. Now, this is not a sponsored review. I paid for this myself, so it's not sponsored. Hint, hint, all of you tool companies out there. So, let me tell you a little bit about this. First of all, I love it, okay? It makes quick work of something that could take forever. Right now, what I'm doing is I am actually planing the keelson of this nice little boat that I'm building. You can see all the way down there. I worked on it this morning and I got all of this planed in a very short time, okay? So, first of all, about the tool, as you can see, the blade is right over here. I have it plugged in. I probably shouldn't be doing it. There's the blade. It spins really quick, so when you go that way, it planes it, and it takes as much wood off if you want, pretty much. It has an adjustment right here, so I can adjust, plus or minus, and it shows right there the, how many inches or the pitches of an inch, and the more you put, the more it takes off, okay? So I took off quite a bit this morning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it to the minus now. Let's see, 1/64th, and I put it just a little bit over 0 because I want to go really fine tuning to show you how it works. Now also, it has this nice little feature here, this bag that goes on, whatever side you like, okay? I think the bag might be full already. And you can swap it from here to here. So, as I'm using it, it's going to make noise, okay? It's all coming out that way. Now it's coming out that way. You can see it spit out. So you can have it come out whatever side you want it to come out on. And I want it to come out on this side. I find it a lot easier using it that way. So, just to show you how it works. Taking very little, I'm going to go a little more. Pretty much that simple. Now, like I told you, I did it on a very... Now, like I said, I did it on a very fine setting, and just let me show you what it actually did. So here's a project I've been working on. I had it on a thicker setting earlier, and you can see when you do it on a thicker setting, it cuts through the wood pretty quickly, but you can see it's a little rougher. Now, while I showed it to you, I put it on a finer setting, and just that little bit that I did, see the difference right over here? It's very fine and smooth, so it came out a lot nicer. You can see this right here is a smooth setting, and this was a heavier setting where I was really cutting a bunch of product. Matter of fact, this is a 2x6, and I cut it down all this much, which would have taken me with sanders and a hand planer, a week? And I cut this all with the Porta-Cable this morning in about maybe an hour and a half. So I think it did a great job. So there you have it, the Porta-Cable electric planer. Wonderful tool. This one came from Harbor Freight, and I don't remember the price. You'll have to look that up yourself, but it was very affordable, as is anything at Harbor Freight. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.